In today's class, we'll learn about problems on inverse Laplace transform by the method of partial fraction. The first problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube minus s square minus 2s. And second problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 4s square minus 5 whole divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. The solution of this problem we'll see now.
So problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s. Solution. The question is we need to find inverse Laplace of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s. So which is nothing but, so here you observe, so denominator is also we cannot make perfect complete squaring, but numerator is nothing but of degree 2 and here it is degree 3, so which is numerator is degree is less than denominator, so we can apply partial fraction, which is a proper form. So here, but here you can see, observe here, so s cube plus s square plus minus 2s can be written as, so here s cube plus s square minus 2s is nothing but, among these you take s common, it will be s square plus s minus 2, so which is nothing but s into s square plus 2 minus 2, so this is nothing but, so if you apply the formula, so it is nothing but I can say that it is s minus 1 and s plus 2. If you open the bracket, s minus 1 s plus 2, you will get back s square plus s minus 2, and if you multiply s, you will get back the original equation here. So I can say that s cube plus s square minus 2s can be written as s into s minus 1 s plus 2. So therefore, so we can go for the partial fraction method for this. So here let 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s can be written as what here, numerator as it is 2s square plus 5s minus 4 s cube plus s square minus 2s can be written as s into s minus 1 s plus 2. So for this or this will apply the partial fraction. So or I can say that 2s square plus 5s minus 4, this I will take it s into s minus 1 s plus 2. So to apply partial fraction, a divided by s plus b divided by s minus 1 plus c divided by s plus 2. So on simplification, so if you take the LCM, so 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s into s minus 1 s plus 2. Here if you take the LCM, it will be s minus 1 s plus 2. So a into, so this complete divided by s cancels, will get s minus 1 s plus 2, this is LCM, plus b divided by, we have s minus 1, so s minus 1 s minus 1 get cancelled, we'll get s into s plus 2, s into s plus 2, and next plus c into c divided by s plus 2, we have s plus 2 cancels, we'll get s into s minus 1, so this get cancels, so we'll get as 2s square plus 5s minus 4 is equal to a into s minus 1 s plus 2 plus b into s plus 2 c into s minus 1. So we need to simplify this by putting the value of s is equal to opposite of this, my s minus 1 oppositely is nothing but plus 1 minus 2, and s is equal to 0. We'll get the value of a, b and c. So we'll see the values here now. So first value, so put s is equal to 0. So if you put s is equal to 0 on both the side, s is equal to 0 means 2 into 0, 0, 5 into 0 is 0, so we'll get minus 4. So minus 4 equal to s is 0. So what happens? 0 minus 1a into 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus plus 2 is nothing but 2. So s is 0 means 0, 0. Because 0 into b into s plus 2 is 0, 0 into c into s minus 1 is 0. So therefore, which implies the value of a will be 2. So because here minus 2, so minus minus cancels, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is because of s is equal to 0. Now we'll apply when put s is equal to 1. Because here so this equation we are applying the values here. So opposite s minus 1 is there. If you put s is equal to plus 1, it becomes 0. So if you put s is equal to 1, what happens here? 2 into 1 square will be 2 plus 5 into 1 is 5 minus 4, which is nothing but, if I put s is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will become 0, 0 into entire this term will become 0. So here b into s is 1, 1 into 1 plus 2, and if I put s is equal to 1 here, so it will become 0, 0 into entire thing is 0. So therefore the value of b, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into b. So here 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3 3 cancel, so the value of b will be 1. So value of b will be 1 here. So next, now put s is equal to minus 2. So if you put s is equal to minus 2, a will vanish, b will vanish, we'll get the value of c. If s is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 square is nothing but minus 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Then 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, minus 4 as it is. So a will become 0, b will become 0, c will become c into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So here minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So here again, so on simplification, so which is nothing but the value of c will become what here? Minus 1. So we got the value of a, b, c. We'll apply these values in above mentioned form what we have considered. So this is our mentioned form where we need to apply the value of a, b, c. Then we'll need to apply what here? Inverse Laplace transform to this. We'll see now. So therefore 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s, that is a divided by s. So s value is a value is 2, so it will become 2 divided by s. So b value is 1, so therefore plus 1 divided by s plus 1. So c value is minus 1, so it will become minus 1 upon s. So this is minus 1 upon s minus 1, this is s plus 2. So take inverse Laplace transform on both the side. So inverse Laplace transform of 2s square plus 5s minus 4 whole divided by s cube plus s square minus 2s is equal to 2 is a constant inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus inverse Laplace of 1 upon s minus 1 minus inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus 2. So therefore, which is nothing but 2 times inverse Laplace of 1 upon s is 1 plus inverse Laplace of 1 upon s minus 1 is e raised to t. Next, inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 2 is e raised to minus 2t. So therefore, which is nothing but finally, so 2 plus e raised to t minus e raised to minus 2t is the required solution here. So next problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. See, this is one of the, again, one more kind of inverse Laplace transform using partial fraction. So we need to find inverse Laplace transform of 4s plus 5 whole divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. So which is nothing but, again, so we need to first simplify using partial fraction. 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. So which is nothing but, so a divided by, so this s plus 1, so total will get, if we expand it, will get s square, and here s, total s cube is there. So total s cube means we will get 3 constants. So therefore s square plus 1 one time will keep, plus b divided by s plus 1 whole square plus c divided by s plus 2. So in this way we need to apply the partial fraction, then we need to simplify this partial fraction. So on taking LCM, so this LCM cancels, and we'll get this one as 4s plus 5 equal to a divided by, so s plus 1 divided by this, completely you consider. So this s square plus s plus 1 whole square divided into s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 one time cancels, a into will get s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus b times, so s plus 1 divided by is there, so this and this cancels, will get only s plus 2 plus c into s plus 2 is there, it will cancel with this, so we'll get c into s plus 1 whole square. So this is the form where we can apply what here now, the will apply first we'll get the value of a, b, c, then we'll think of what here applying inverse Laplace transform. Now, so this is the equation where from where we'll get the values of a, b, c. With that values we'll apply here, then we'll think of what here inverse Laplace transform. Now, so first we'll put s is equal to 0 and we'll see what happens here. So if you put s is equal to 0, so 4 into 0 is 0, we'll get what here 5. If you put s is equal to 0, 5 is equal to, when s is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, so 2 into 1 is 2a. So if you put s is equal to 0, so if we will get here 2b, then here we'll get s is equal to 0, once 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, so we'll get c. So here you can see here we are getting a equation, so which we don't know what is the value of a, b, c, we'll keep this one as it is now. Now when next value will apply and see what happens here. So I will give equation number 1 for this. Put here s plus 1 is there, opposite of s plus 1 I can say that, put s is equal to minus 1 to make 0. So put s is equal to minus 1. So if you put s is equal to minus 1, we'll get here what here, if you put s is equal to minus 1, so this will vanish and c will vanish, because minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 into anything is 0 here. So we'll get here minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus 5 is equal to, a vanish, c vanish, will get b. So b into minus 1 plus 2. So on simplification, which is nothing but, so 1 is equal to b, or I can say that b is equal to 1. The value here b is equal to 1. So next, put s is equal to one more value here, -2. So what happens? So -2 into 4 is -8, plus 5 is equal to, -2 means a will vanish, b will vanish, c will get, that is c into -2 plus 1, which is whole square. So here we'll get -3 is equal to -2 plus 1 is nothing but -1, -1 square is plus 1. So c is nothing but -3. So we got c value and b value. These two value will apply in equation number 1. We'll get the value of a now. So these b value 1, c is equal to 3 will apply here. This is equation number 1. So I have taken. So 5 is equal to 2a plus 2 into 1. So value of c is -3, that is -3 here. So 5 is equal to 2a. So 2 minus 3 is nothing but -1, or 2a is equal to 6, or a is equal to 3. So we got a value, b value, c value will apply in the given what partial fraction we have made, that is nothing but 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 square into s plus 2 is equal to a divided by s plus 1. We have a value is 3, so 3 divided by s plus 1. So b value is 1, so that is b divided by s plus 1 whole square, that is 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square, minus, because c value is -3, so 3 divided by s plus 2. So apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides. So inverse Laplace of 4s plus 5 whole divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2 is nothing but 3 times inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1 plus inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square minus 3 into inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s plus 2. Now, so on simplification, applying the inverse Laplace to this, we'll see what is the resultant now. So 3 times inverse Laplace of 1 upon s plus 1 is nothing but e raised to minus t. So here square is there. So remember, so therefore here what happens, s plus 1 means we need to apply the shifting property. So here the value of a is -1, so therefore e raised to minus t into inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus 1 changes to what here, s, so it will become s square minus 3 times inverse Laplace of s plus 2 is nothing but e raised to minus 2t, which is nothing but 3e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus t 1 upon s square, which is nothing but s square can be written s raised to 1 plus 1. So value of n is 1. So t raised to 1 upon 1 factorial minus 3 into e raised to minus 2t. So therefore finally inverse Laplace of 4s plus 5 divided by s plus 1 whole square s plus 2 is equal to 3e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus t into t minus 3 into e raised to minus 2t. So in this way we need to simplify the examples now.